Hi, my name is James Stewart, founder of Verlota. Do you struggle to sleep? Are you always tired of being tired? Did you know that the average American should be getting between 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, if you're anything like me, those numbers seem like a fantasy. For years, I would only get around 4 to 5 hours of sleep per night at best. When I found out that over 60% of Americans struggle with getting enough sleep, I knew something had to be done. So, like many Americans, I tried a number of different sleeping aids, from doctor-prescribed sleep medications to sleep aids from the pharmacy or supermarket. They helped me some, but they had side effects I didn't like. From daytime grogginess to withdrawal symptoms, I knew I had to find something more naturally sourced and ultimately safer to consume. After doing some research, I realized a lot of sleep aids have ingredients that are dangerous, that harmed our bodies instead of healing them. So, when I couldn't find the right product, I did something bold. I created my own. I assembled a team of experts to formulate a sleep aid that contained only naturally sourced ingredients that would not only help people get a better night's sleep, but not produce any of the common side effects that you would see with other sleep medications. Verlota sleep capsules are an all-natural supplement that help contribute to longer and more efficient sleeping without the negative side effects caused by unwanted ingredients. Each Verlota sleep capsule contains sleep-enhancing ingredients such as magnolia extract, which helps reduce stress while calming the nervous system, helping the body rest and recover by falling into a deep sleep. Chamomile extract, which helps sedate the body, acting as an effective tool when trying to fall asleep. L-theanine, which provides an overall relaxing effect on the body while reducing our heart rate, making it easier to fall into a deep sleep. Magnesium stearate powder, which plays an important role in the nervous system, helping to activate mechanisms that quiet and calm both the body and mind for a better night's sleep. But don't just take my word for it. We've got thousands of customers who use Verlota sleep capsules on a regular basis to help them be their best selves. Check out their testimonials below. Ready to order? We thought you might be. Your health is important to us, and we want to help you with your sleepless nights. That's why we're offering you our sleep capsules for a fraction of the price. This is a one-time offer, so make sure to order your sleep capsules today